morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today is a very exciting day for me because I'm getting ready to go up to Geelong to the Phuket Yacht Club and start my 5-day sailing practical. So I'll be getting on the boat for 5 days and doing the International Competent Crew certification, which is the first step in getting my sailboat captain's license. So let's go learn to sail. Before getting on the boat, we did a little pre-trip briefing with our instructor, Paul Flatty Baker. After getting on the boat, Flatty started showing us around, letting the crew know all of the safety precautions, where things were, and some of the functionality of the boat. Then we went up on deck and Flatty literally showed us the ropes. To some of the crew, this was all brand new. To others, this was more of a review. We went over how to tie off on a mooring line. Flatty instructed us on how the different lines and halyards worked and how to operate the sails. Then we went over a little bit of a passage planning, and then we were finally underway. Once underway, we learned about the different buoy systems, colors, and meanings. And then finally, it was time to pull out the sail. Now that we were sailing, it was time for some of us to learn how to tack. During the first day of school, there's a whole lot to learn, but it's made a lot easier by the surrounding beauty of the water and the islands here in southern Thailand.
Area. Okay. We are just here. The edge of, there's Koh Hai, there's Koh Bon there. Pointer there. So I go 271. I go back to 131. 131.
Next, we started going over some basic chart work, and we had a great opportunity with the tanker to learn about sighting vessels and potential for collisions.
175.
As we continued to make our way south down to Koh Racha Yai, we worked on compass bearings, obtaining a fix, and more chart work. It's a lot to take in, but it's really fun. Finally coming into Koh Racha, the crew made ready to tie off on a mooring line as we took in the stunning beauty of the island. After tying off on the mooring ball, we decided to celebrate with a frosty beverage while I got out the drone to take in the beauty of Koh Racha Yai. Following the beautiful sunset, we headed ashore to get a delicious dinner by the ocean, after which we were treated to a beautiful lightning storm out over the sea. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. We really appreciate your time. Coming up next, we continue the sailing school, learning a whole lot more about tacking, jibing, man overboard, and so much more. Don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel for more content each and every week, and please leave a comment so we can engage with you directly. These are fast and simple ways for you to support what we do. Thanks again and see you next week.